Hello guys, we are looking at General Maths Test 4 from TMSCA. This is from the year 2008-2009. The first question is the product of these five fractions. So let's take a look at it. 2/3 multiplied by minus 3/5. So we can clearly cancel this 3 and this 3 and we'll get minus 1 in the numerator. And then we can cancel this 5 with this 5 in the numerator, so we will get minus 1 over here. And then clearly we can cancel this 3 with this 3, we'll get minus 1 over here. And we can also cancel this 2 with this 2. So the only number in the denominator is this 5. And in the numerator we have minus 1 times 4, which is minus 4, and then minus 4 times minus 1 is 4, and then times minus 1 is minus 4. So the answer is minus 4 over 5. So we'll select C. Question number 2. 0.3125 is equal to which one of these fractions? So let's start with B, which is 5 over 16. Let's divide 5 by 16. So 16 times 3 is 48. Remainder is 2. 1 times is 16. 42 is 32. 8, 0, 5 is 80, and the remainder is 0, and then we'll have a decimal over here. So it looks like 5/16 is the correct answer. Question 3, 51 square minus 31 square. One easy way to do this is to use the formula a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So clearly, in this case, a is equal to 51 and b is equal to 31. So we can write this as 51 minus 31 multiplied by 51 plus 31. So 51 minus 31 is 20. So this is nothing but 20 multiplied by 51 plus 31 is 82. 82 times 2 is 164, and we just add one more 0 at the end, and so the answer is 1640. So we'll select choice A. Question 4. Evaluate minus x squared plus 2y plus 6 if x is equal to minus 5 and y is equal to minus 4. We need to plug the values of x equal to minus 5 and y is equal to minus 4 in this equation over here. So let's rewrite this equation. Minus 5 square plus 2 times minus 4 and plus 6. So we have to be very careful with the signs over here. There is a minus sign next to x squared, so that's this minus sign, and in place of x I wrote minus 5 and then I squared it. So we get minus 25. 2 times minus 4 is minus 8, and then we have plus 6 over here. So minus 25 minus 8 is minus 33, and minus 33 plus 6 is minus 27. So the answer is B. Question 5. In how many ways can 5 people stand in a line? So 5 people can stand in a line in 5 factorial ways. 5 factorial is nothing but 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 times 4 is 20, 20 times 3 is 60, and 60 times 2 is 120. So we select C as the answer. Question number 6. What is the mean of the list of numbers given over here? So first of all, let's count the total number of numbers that we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 numbers. So we need to add all of these numbers and divide by 16, which is the total number of numbers. So let's add these numbers. So we have 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, and then we have 3 3's, so that is 9, so 5 plus 9 is 14, and then we have 4 4's, so that is 16, so 14 plus 16 is 30, and then we have 5 5's, so that is 25, 30 plus 25 is 55, and 55 plus 9 is 64. So 64 divided by 16, which is nothing but 4. So the answer is D. Question 7, f of x is equal to 3x minus 5, then find f of minus 1 by 9. So in this case, essentially, we have to plug minus 1 by 9 in place of x. So 3 times minus 1 over 9 minus 5. So this is equal to, so 3 times minus 1 over 9 is nothing but minus 1 over 3. So minus 1 over 3 minus 5, which is equal to minus 5 1 over 3. So we'll select answer C. Question 8. Find the percentage discount when a $12 shirt is on sale for $9. So the discount is $3 on the original price of $12. So we write the discount in the numerator. So discount is $3 and the original price was $12. So 3 over 12 times 100. So 3 divided by 12 is 4 and 100 divided by 4 is 25. So the answer is B, which is 25%. Question number 9. What is the value of the ordinate of the point minus 2.5 comma 7.8? Ordinate means the y coordinate. So the y coordinate is 7.8. So we select B as the answer. Question number 10. After rolling a pair of dice, what are the odds of getting a sum less than 12? So essentially the question is chances for getting less than 12 and chances against less than 12. The maximum that we can get with a pair of dice is 12, and the probability of getting 12 is 1 by 6 multiplied by 1 by 6. That is equal to 1 over 36. And the reason for this is we can only get 12 when we have 6 on the first dice and 6 on the other dice. And the likelihood of getting 6 on the first dice is 1 by 6. And the likelihood of getting 6 on the other dice is also 1 by 6. So the product is 1 over 36. So all other combinations are going to give us a number which is less than 12. So the probability of getting less than 12 as the sum is 1 minus 1 over 36, which is equal to 35 over 36. So the chances for getting the sum less than 12 is 35 over 36, and the chances against getting less than 12 is 1 over 36. So that's the case when we get the sum equal to 12. So the ratio is 35 over 36 is to 1 over 36. So if you multiply both these fractions by 36, we get 35 is to 1. So the odds of getting a sum less than 12 is 35 is to 1. So if you look at the choices, none of the choices is 35 is to 1. So we will select E as the answer. Question 11. What is the product of the number of sides of a heptagon and the number of sides of a dodecagon? Heptagon has 7 sides and dodecagon has 12 sides. So the product of 7 and 12 is 84. So we select A as the answer. Question 12 is 1010 base 3 is equal to how much? Base 10. So one easy way to do this is to write 3 to the power 0, which is 1, 3 to the power 1, which is nothing but 3, 3 to the power 2, which is nothing but 9, and then 3 to the power 3, which is nothing but 27. And the number that we have over here is 1010. So in order to convert this into base 10, we multiply 27 with the first number, which is 1, so that's 27, plus we multiply 9 with 0, so that's going to give us 0, plus 3 is multiplied with 1, so we get 3, and plus 1 is multiplied with 0, we get 0. So 27 plus 3 is nothing but 30. So the answer is B, 30. Question 13. What is the units digit of 3 to the power 16? This is a very interesting question. You need not multiply 3 times 3 16 times to get the units digit. So let's take a look at it. 3 to the power 2 is 9. And we know that 3 to the power 4 will be 9 times 9, which is equal to 81. So look at the units digit. The units digit is 1 over here. So now tell me what will be 3 to the power 8. 3 to the power 8 is nothing but 3 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 4. That means 81 times 81. So we need not determine the product of 81 times 81, just focus on the units digit. So the units digit for the product is going to be 1 because we have 1 times 1 over here. Now, what would be the units digit of 3 to the power 16? 3 to the power 16 is nothing but 3 to the power 8 multiplied by 3 to the power 8. So in other words, we are multiplying a number that has the units digit as 1 times another number which has a units digit of 1. So 1 times 1 is going to give us some number with a units digit of 1. So we will select B as the answer for this question.